Okay, Eden said there's 2 little girls in this next house that we're doing a stove in. So I had the girls each choose a doll they wanted to give. We didn't go up to the mountains today, so there wasn't a whole crowd of children like there was the other day, but still a good experience.
Where is it?
In the trunk, in the cooler. It's very thirsty. It's very hard to find the house.
Is it?
Ryan, it's down there.
Gracias. Did you see one? Hola.
¿Dónde está este señor?
¿Cómo estás?
Gracias, se dice. Con tu juguete, sí. Gracias, se dice. Muchas gracias.
Adios. Okay. So it's over here?
There's a couple little girls in this one too.
Oh, is there?
Dolls.
Okay.
Want me to go back and get one?
Yeah, you better go while the car's still open. Hey, babe. Got a wheelchair here. That's good. They say the stove's almost bigger than the place, though.
Come on in. So then, pase adelante.
Pase adelante.
It's like, what's in there?
There she is back there with something.
Oh, see. It's so small I can hardly take a picture.
Oh, I must.
Is that the pila? That's where they wash. This is her house. Hola.
No, de lo oíste. Se fue. Dijo que tanto disfrutó, fue dejar ahí, se las dos meses. No lo voy a llevar, por el aire.
It's very small. They're trying to figure out how to make it fit in here. Looks like you guys have it figured out.
Unas dos se me viene y no es tanto aire.
Huh? Yeah. The dad works. Papá trabaja en el río. Sí.
Mom, you should see how little the
¿Hace
chicken
cuánto tiempo?
Oh, yeah, pequeñecita.
Oh, wow.
Okay.